Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to rake leaves without breaking your back. So if you want to see how I rake leaves in my backyard, then just keep watching. You're going to want to begin by gathering all the leaves into different piles. You're going to need a yard bag and 2 rakes. Hold each rake in one hand, sort of like a tong, so you're able to grab and gather the leaves and place them in the bag. Another way you can do this is by placing each rake underneath your arms to grab the leaves. I personally like this way better. I found that I was able to pick up more leaves when the rakes were underneath my arms versus me holding them in my hand. I also found this way very helpful. I was able to gather a lot of leaves by mimicking a broom and a dustpan with the rakes. These tips had little to no bending at all, therefore you can save your back, so I hope you found it helpful. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.